Welcome to Wonderful English Learning Podcast.
Hello, wonderful English learner. Welcome back to the Wonderful English Learning Podcast. I am Alex.
And I am Ben. We are happy you are here with us today.
Today, we talk about something very important if you want to speak English confidently. Today's topic is how to make your brain think in English. Maybe you want to stop translating from your own language. Maybe you want English in your mind to feel fast, easy, and natural. We will help you do this step by step. So relax, sit back, and enjoy this friendly conversation. We are here like your English friends. You can smile, have fun, and make mistakes. Mistakes are normal and good. They help you learn. Now let's begin.
First, I want to say thank you to every listener. You are learning English. That is amazing.
Yes, you are strong, you are brave, you are curious.
You want new things in life.
And English can help open many doors for you.
But sometimes thinking in English feels slow or difficult.
Yes, maybe you want to say something, but your brain needs time. You think in your language,
Then you translate,
then you speak in English.
and the time feels too long.
It is like your brain is walking, not running.
But we want your brain to run,
We want English words to come fast,
to fly like birds inside your head.
soft and free.
So today, we show you how to think in English
And we do it together
with a smile
with simple steps.
and fun practice.
Let's start with a small idea.
A very small idea, but very powerful.
English thinking begins with simple words,
Not big words,
not grammar rules.
not long sentences.
It begins with small things you can see every day.
Like a cup,
A chair,
a book,
your hands.
your phone.
If you look at your phone and say phone in your head, that is thinking in English.
It is small, yes, but small is the start of big. So let's do an exercise right now.
Look around you.
Maybe you see one thing near you,
Say its name in English,
in your mind.
not in your language.
Just one English word.
Good job.
That is thinking in English.
Now let's talk about a common problem. Translation.
Translation is heavy.
It is slow.
It makes your brain tired.
When you translate, you need two languages in your brain at one time.
And that is a lot of work.
But when you think directly in English, you save time.
Everything becomes faster.
You speak more smoothly,
You feel more confident.
and you enjoy English.
So how do we stop translation? We train the brain,
Every day.
like a muscle.
Yes, your brain is like a strong muscle.
If you never exercise, your muscles feel weak.
But if you practice every day, they become strong.
And English becomes natural.
Let's try something fun.
Imagine your brain is a house.
In this house, you have many rooms,
One room for your language.
and one room for English.
When you translate, you run between rooms.
Open door, close door, run.
That takes time and energy.
But if you think in English, you stay in the English room.
You feel comfortable there.
You sit on a sofa.
You drink tea.
You relax with English.
no running.
So today we start decorating your English room,
We put new English words inside.
like furniture,
A sofa of vocabulary.
a table of pronunciation,
Curtains of confidence.
and lights of good practice.
And soon, the English room will feel like home.
Let's practice daily thinking.
You can think in English in the morning,
You can think in English while walking,
while waiting for the bus,
while cleaning your room.
while cooking food.
For example, imagine you are in your kitchen.
You see a banana.
You say in your mind, "This is a banana."
You peel it. I peel the banana.
You eat it. I eat the banana.
Simple action, simple English.
Let's do an action sentence game.
Listeners, follow us.
I touch the table.
Repeat after Alex.
I touch the table.
I open the door.
Repeat after Ben.
I open the door.
I drink water.
Good. You're thinking in English.
Now let's add some fun.
A small story,
A silly story.
because silly is good for learning.
This is a man. His name is Tom.
Tom wants coffee.
He says, "I want coffee."
He goes to the kitchen.
He looks at the table.
There is no coffee.
He says, "Where is my coffee?"
He opens the fridge.
He sees milk,
He sees eggs.
but no coffee.
He cries, "No coffee!"
Poor Tom.
Now, let's make the story longer.
And learners, repeat some sentences after us.
Tom likes coffee.
Tom needs coffee.
Tom is tired.
Coffee gives Tom power.
But Tom has no coffee.
Oh no.
So Tom goes to the store.
He buys a big coffee.
He drinks it.
Now he is happy.
Very happy.
Tom smiles.
That story used simple sentences.
You listened.
You repeated.
And you thought in English.
When you think in English, small phrases are your friends.
Like, I want.
I like.
I see.
I need.
I go.
These simple phrases help you speak faster.
They are tools.
Like little magic keys.
They open many English doors.
Let's practice a few common phrases. We say them, you repeat.
I want water.
I like music.
I see a car.
I need help.
I go home.
Good.
Very good.
You are doing great.
Now let's do a role play conversation.
You can be one speaker with us.
You are in a cafe,
You want to order coffee.
just like Tom.
Yes. But maybe you are happier.
I will be the barista.
I will be your friend.
Hello. Good morning. What would you like?
Yes. A coffee, please.
Sure. Do you want milk?
Yes. Milk, please.
Do you want sugar?
No sugar, thank you.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Good job, listener.
You just use English to think and speak.
And the coffee is free in our imagination.
Let's talk about another good idea.
Inner voice.
Inner voice means the voice inside your head.
We all have it.
It speaks to us all day.
Sometimes it says, I am hungry.
Sometimes it says, "Where are my keys?"
It is always talking.
We want your inner voice to speak in English.
Even a little bit every day.
You can start with one small sentence.
For example, say in your head,
I am walking.
or I am sitting.
I am washing my hands.
I see the sky.
Very simple sentences.
When your inner voice uses English, you grow faster.
You train your brain all day
You learn English without books,
without stress.
without stopping your life.
Now we try another mini story.
This story is about a cat.
The cat's name is Coco.
Coco is a funny cat.
Coco wakes up in the morning.
She thinks, I want food.
She goes to the kitchen.
She sees her bowl.
It is empty.
Coco is angry.
She says, "Meow, meow."
She wants food now.
The human comes.
The human gives Coco food.
Coco eats.
Coco is happy again.
Coco sleeps.
That is a cat life.
Listeners, repeat some parts. Coco is a cat.
Coco wants food.
Coco is hungry.
Coco eats.
Coco sleeps.
Great job.
Your brain is thinking in English more and more.
And Coco is proud of you.
Now let's look at a cultural idea.
English is everywhere in the world.
Movies, music, games, apps.
When you use English for fun, your brain learns faster.
Watching a movie with English subtitles.
Listening to music and understanding one or two words.
Reading small messages in English.
Talking to people online.
It is like swimming in English.
You are inside the language.
And your brain learns without stress.
Like magic.
Do you know something funny?
What is funny?
Sometimes English is easier when we speak to ourselves.
Yes, people think speaking alone is strange.
But for language learning, it is smart.
You can talk to yourself at home,
In your kitchen,
in your room.
in the shower,
Water helps vocabulary flow.
you can say simple things like,
I am cooking pasta.
This is nice.
I am happy.
I can speak English.
And guess what?
What?
Talking to yourself means you will never forget your own name.
True.
And you are your best friend.
Here is another practice. We ask questions.
You answer in your head.
Answer fast.
No translation.
Ready?
Let's go.
What is your name?
How old are you?
Where do you live?
What food do you like?
Do you like coffee?
Very good.
See, your brain did thinking in English.
Step by step, you improve.
Let's play another small imagination game.
Close your eyes, if you can.
Imagine you are in a big city.
Many people speak English.
You go into a shop.
You ask, how much is this?
You smile.
You feel good.
The shop worker smiles back.
You pay and say, thank you.
In that moment, you are living in English.
And it feels wonderful.
Now let's teach some helpful phrases for thinking in English.
What is this?
Good for objects.
I am doing this.
Good for actions.
I like this.
Good for feelings and opinions.
This is easy.
Good for motivation.
Let's repeat them again.
Slowly. What is this?
I am doing this.
I like this.
This is easy.
You are strong.
You can learn English.
Your brain is learning right now.
Every minute with us helps you think more in English.
Let's do another friendly role play.
This time, you are meeting a new friend.
I will be the friend.
Alex is now a new person.
Hello, what is your name?
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
That is interesting.
Do you speak English every day?
Great!
You are practicing well.
I am proud of you.
Very proud. Let's check how you feel.
Do you feel more confident?
I hope yes.
Do you feel more comfortable?
I hope yes again.
You are thinking in English more than before.
And this is just one lesson.
Imagine every day.
A little bit of English thinking.
You will grow so much.
Here is a final story about you.
Yes, listener, you are the main character.
You wake up in the morning.
You say in your head, "Good morning."
You go to the mirror.
You say, "I look good today."
You eat breakfast.
You say, "This is delicious."
You go outside.
You say, "Today is nice."
You do your work.
You say, "I can do this."
You meet a friend.
You say, "Hello, how are you?"
You go home.
You say, "I am tired,"
But happy.
because you thought in English.
And every small sentence helps you grow.
You are learning.
You are improving.
You are amazing.
Before we finish, let's repeat some powerful sentences together.
Say them in your mind or out loud.
I can think in English.
I am learning every day.
English is my friend.
I feel good when I speak English.
My brain can grow.
I enjoy English.
I am strong.
Very good.
Excellent.
Wonderful.
And now we come to the end of this episode.
But this is not the end of your English journey.
It is only the beginning.
Every day, talk to yourself a little in English.
Describe what you see.
Describe what you do.
And slow by slow, your brain will think in English.
Faster, easier, natural.
Thank you for listening to the Wonderful English Learning Podcast.
You did a great job today.
Keep practicing.
Keep smiling.
Keep learning English.
Your English future is bright.
We are proud of you.
And we believe in you.
See you in the next episode.
Take care.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.